Today's video in Germany with Aston Martin, currently on the road with two very good looking Aston Martin Vantage. I've personally been super excited about getting behind the wheel of the new Vantage, and that is based alone on looks. I think it is drop dead gorgeous. So we left the hotel around an hour ago. We have a nice pre-planned route around some nice German back roads in the forest where the speed limit is mostly also 100 kilometers an hour, which makes for that little bit more fun compared to Switzerland where the back roads are 80. One other exciting thing is at the hotel also stands the brand new Vanquish. We had a quick look at it this morning and my word, this is one beautiful car. So what I'm going to do is when we get back to the hotel for lunchtime, I'm going to take you guys for a walk around the new Vanquish. It is really something spectacular. As you saw behind me, there were two cars joined by Zaid today.
Hello.
Zaid is a blogger, photographer, journalist,
everything, all sorts.
Everything from the UK. We've met quite a few times now, and we're also going to meet again next month, right?
Yes, next
for a
month.
small road trip.
Yes.
So Zaid is in the orange one. I'm in the F1 green.
You're in the safety car.
Safety car.
You're in the real safety car.
So we had this introduction, and they talked about the selling point, or no, the F1 effect.
Yep.
So this is the color from F1, this green and neon yellow, which I personally really like. Zaid is not really feeling the neon yellow, though my one has the carbon bucket seats, which I'm still figuring out if I like or not yet, and you have the comfort seats. I think you would buy alone just based on the looks.
Yeah, for sure. It looks like a baby 177.
Yeah,
it really does.
yeah.
The way the grille is grown and the lights have shaped, it's big improvement. To call it a facelift is really not really
an
fair.
understatement.
It's a big step.
Highlight for me at the moment with Aston Martin is the amount of options. You really have so much to choose from, and I feel like you can really create your imagination. You can play with so many colors, and I just really like what they're doing at the moment. I actually feel quite excited for the brand right now, especially after seeing the new Vanquish, which, well, you guys will see in a bit. It is really something special. We're living in a world at the moment with so many brands going stupidly full electric and talking about that too much and just greenwashing, while Aston Martin is here making a Vanquish and dropping a V12 in it, which is super exciting. As I said, the looks for me, I would say every angle, side profile, rear, front, it is a truly beautiful car in both colors. I really honestly cannot fault the looks. So much carbon fiber. Side skirts are massive. They're huge. Lots of carbon fiber options on this car. Same goes for the front on the splitter and the diffuser, as you saw before. Truly a beautiful car, which I think now we should head out and continue enjoying the morning, because I only had around an hour behind the wheel now, and I definitely want to do another hour before lunchtime. Finally heading out for a drive on some nice forest back roads in Germany. Definitely a fun car. Plenty of power. 656 horsepower. Interior, nice place to be. These carbon bucket seats look fantastic. It's a bit of an awkward shape, so my knees are quite high. I personally would like to be a bit more flat. It's a little bit of an awkward sitting position, and this is a big but, I'm tall. I find most sitting awkward. Now I'm not sure if there's quite some engine noise being blasted in through these speakers behind me. I would say there definitely is. No, there is. I can hear it coming from that speaker. Obviously not the cracks, but the problem is there's so much engine noise being put in through the speakers that you actually can't hear the real sounds that much, like the cracks. From the outside you can. When Zaid accelerated in front of me earlier, it sounded really great from the outside. I wish manufacturers would always allow you to turn off this engine sound going through the speakers. Maybe you can, I don't know. I personally would like that option. Powerhouse. This road looks incredible and we're straight behind a caravan. Personally really excited about the Aston Martin brand. I really like what they're doing. I think they have big plans at the moment and they are producing some really, really cool cars. This is ridiculous and I love it. Very happy back end, but very playful. Ridiculous. Right now I've got it in Sport Plus. The next mode up from that will be track mode. I think track mode probably will put the suspension a bit harder and maybe a bit less traction control. Let's find out. There's only one way to find out, isn't there? There we go, track mode. Let's try another acceleration. Yep, it's a bit looser on the end, on the back end, but as I said, playful. Yeah, so overall first impressions, very good. Does feel quite a big car. I'm not sure on the actual dimensions, but both Zaid and I said before when we pulled out of the hotel that we had no feeling for, you know, where the front end was. It takes a bit of getting used to. I'm not sure if it really is a big car or it's just how it feels. You can't see the front end, so really have no idea where the front end is. Ooh, okay, track mode I think also gets a bit more naughty on the exhaust as well. Oh yes it does. I like that. Yeah, fun for days. See if there's a launch control. No idea. Race start. Oh! Oh my god! That was cool. So it just said to me, race start activated. That was cool. That was very unexpected as well. I'm going to need to tell Zaid to try that afterwards. So there is a race start, and that was in track mode. So me and Zaid arrived back at the hotel. I was quite sure that the hotel coffee was not going to be that impressive after this morning's breakfast, so I decided to search my phone for specialty coffee, thinking there is no chance there will be any specialty coffee in this area. As nice as this area is, very beautiful, you know, it's really, really a pretty area. Just normally areas like this, and also like many ski resorts, yet to catch up with the specialty coffee scene. However, there was one, well, as it says, I don't know what the coffee's going to be like, that was 4 minutes away from the hotel, would you believe? So we just arrived here now, and they're actually a coffee roastery and a coffee specialty shop. So gonna head inside and yeah, hopefully get a good coffee. Good start. They have a Marzocco machine. That's a very good start, and seems to be roasting their own beans as well. So after a slightly strange experience in that coffee shop, where the barista just handed me the phone to our boss and didn't say anything down the phone, and it was kind of really awkward. Pardon? I want to speak to the... Oh, hello. Hi. Yeah, hello. I don't know why do I don't... He's not saying anything. I don't know. Time to try the coffee.
Got a mustache. I know.
2 hot milk.
Yeah.
I find
was a problem.
I hate that there's so many baristas where they heat the milk up too much, and what happens then is it separates.
Splits, yeah.
So I explained it like the coffee is a bit off, like the atmosphere in there. It was an awkward vibe in there, slightly awkward coffee run vibe today. Zaid's got a filter, so
Which is great. It's really good actually.
yeah. Maybe filter was the way to go in there. Give it rating out of 10, filter.
Bit acidic. I don't know what the bean is. I don't know what it
I
is, but
didn't either.
it's a 7.75.
Oh really?
It's good enough.
Ending today's video here, back with the Vanquish. Holy moly, it looks incredible. I've just been gawping at this. This is a car that I'm definitely going to be thinking about for quite some time until I get to drive one, of which I was just speaking to the guys at Aston Martin and already arranging the first media drive that I can join, because I'm honestly blown away by it. So many special design features. All of this in the back as well, all in carbon fiber. Again, lots and lots of carbon fiber. Truly a beautiful car. Wow. Mighty V12, 824 horsepower. This is one of the best looking cars, or new cars I've seen in a long time, and especially with a V12, that kind of power. It's a recipe for having a very special day. Starting price I think is going to be around 350,000 euros. Don't hold me to that exactly, but I think it's around the area. I have this feeling that, well, the ones that are going to come onto the market are going to be selling for much more than that straight away. Take a quick look inside. That lovely new car smell. I actually really like the color combination from the outside to the inside. Behind here as well, I have a nice luggage compartment. There's 4 small kind of handbags, small travel bags. Looks like a very nice speaker, central speaker in the back. Very, very excited to drive this, hopefully in the next couple of months.